Hello, I'm Maria. I'm from Spain. I live in a small town with my family. My town has sunny beaches and quiet streets. I love it, but I want to learn English. So, I decide to go to New York. I'm excited, but my stomach feels funny because I'm nervous. New York is a big city, and I hear it's loud, busy, and full of tall buildings. I pack my bags with clothes, books, and a picture of my family. My mom cries a little at the airport. She says, "Maria, be safe." My dad hugs me and says, "Learn a lot and have fun." I smile, but I feel sad to leave them. I wave goodbye and walk to the plane. The plane is big. I sit by the window. I look out and see the clouds. The flight is long, but I read a book and eat a sandwich. Finally, the plane lands at the airport in New York. I'm here. I see many people walking fast. They talk in different languages: English, Spanish, Chinese, and more. I hear the noise of bags rolling and people calling, "Taxi! Taxi!" I look out the window and see huge buildings shining in the sun. The airport is big and busy. I think, this is my new home. I feel scared but happy. I carry my heavy suitcase and find a yellow taxi outside. The driver smiles and says, "Welcome to New York. Where do you go?" I tell him my address. He nods and starts driving. The streets are full of cars, bikes, and people. I see shops with bright lights and food stalls with good smells, like hot dogs, pretzels, and fresh bread. I see a man selling flowers on the corner. I see a woman walking 3 dogs. The dogs are small and cute. I see kids running and laughing. My heart beats fast as I watch the city move. The buildings are so tall, they look like they touch the sky. I think, this is so different from Spain. The taxi stops at my new apartment. I pay the driver and say, "Thank you." He says, "Good luck." I take my suitcase and walk inside. At the apartment, I meet Anna. She's from Brazil. Anna is my roommate. She has a big smile and dark hair. She says, "Hi, Maria. Welcome." She's learning English too. We sit on the old couch and talk. Anna likes to sing and play music on her phone. I like to read books. We laugh a lot. She shows me the kitchen and my room. The kitchen is small but clean. It has a stove, a fridge, and a table. My room is small too, but it has a bed, a desk, and a window. I look out the window and see tall buildings. I see people walking below. I see cars and lights. Anna says, "Do you like it?" I say, "Yes, it's nice." We become friends fast. I feel happy to have a friend in this big city. The next day, I wake up early. I'm excited for my first day at English school. I take a shower and eat breakfast. Anna makes coffee. We drink coffee and talk. I say, "I'm nervous." Anna says, "Don't worry, school is fun." I smile. I walk to my English school. It's not far from the apartment. The streets are full of life. I see tourists taking pictures with big cameras. I see vendors selling pretzels, hot dogs, and coffee. One man yells, "Fresh coffee here. Only $2. I smile because I like New York. I see a woman selling flowers. I see a man playing music with a guitar. People stop and listen. I stop too. The music is happy. I feel good. At school, I meet my teacher, Miss Parker. She's kind and has a warm voice. She says, "Hello, everyone. Welcome to class." My class has students from Japan, Mexico, and Egypt. Their names are Hiroshi, Sophia, and Ahmed. Hiroshi is quiet and wears glasses. Sophia likes to laugh and has long hair. Ahmed always asks questions and smiles a lot. We all want to learn English. Miss Parker says, "Tell us about you." I'm shy. My hands shake a little. I take a deep breath and say, "Hello, I'm Maria. I'm from Spain. I'm here to learn English." Everyone smiles. Miss Parker says, "Great job, Maria. Welcome." I feel warm inside. Hiroshi says, "I'm from Japan. I like anime." Sophia says, "I'm from Mexico. I love dancing." Ahmed says, "I'm from Egypt. I want a good job." We laugh and talk more. I feel happy to meet new people. We learn new words like friend, city, and school. I write them in my notebook. Miss Parker says, "Practice makes you better." After class, I talk to Hiroshi. He shows me a picture of his favorite anime character on his phone. It's a boy with a sword. I tell him I like books about love and adventure. We practice English together. It's fun even if we make mistakes. Miss Parker says, "Mistakes are okay. They help you learn." I feel better. After school, Anna and I go to a small park near our apartment. We sit on a green bench. The park is quiet. We see people walking dogs and kids playing with balls. A little girl runs with a kite. The kite is red and flies high. Anna says, "I like our school." I say, "Me too." We talk about our day and our homes. I miss my family, but Anna makes me feel at home. That night we cook pasta. Anna says, "Pass the salt, please." I give her the salt. She adds it to the pot. We laugh and eat. The pasta is yummy with tomato sauce. I say, "This is good." Anna smiles. We wash the dishes together. I wash and Anna dries. We talk more. Anna says, "I miss Brazil." I say, "I miss Spain." We decide to call our families tomorrow. I feel happy in New York. The next day, we have a listening exercise in class. Miss Parker plays a recording of two people talking. They talk about their day. We listen and answer questions. At first, I don't understand everything. The voices are fast. Miss Parker plays it again. Each time, I understand a little more. I write, "They talk about food." Miss Parker says, "Good, Maria." After that, we read a short story. It's about a girl who moves to a new city. She feels scared but makes friends. It reminds me of me. We read together and talk about it. Miss Parker asks, "What does she see?" I say, "She sees big buildings." We learn new words like street, park, and dog. In the afternoon, we write a paragraph. Miss Parker says, "Write about your favorite place at home." I write about a beach in Spain. It has golden sand and blue water. I write, "I swim in the sea." I eat ice cream. The sun is warm. I draw a small picture of the sea. Writing is hard, but I feel proud. Ms. Parker reads my paragraph and says, "Nice work, Maria." After school, Anna, Hiroshi, and I go to a coffee shop. We walk together. The coffee shop is small and cozy. We order drinks in English. I say, "One coffee, please." The waiter smiles and says, "Here you go." We sit at a table and talk. Hiroshi says he wants to draw anime. I say I want to write a book. Sophia joins us. She says, "I want to be a dancer." It's fun to practice English outside class. On Saturday, Anna and I take the subway to Times Square. The train is crowded. We hold the bars and laugh. At Times Square, the lights are bright. Big screens show movies and ads. People walk everywhere. We take pictures with our phones. I take a picture of a big red screen. Anna takes a picture of me smiling. I buy a small keychain with New York on it. Anna buys a hat. We walk and look at shops. A man plays a drum on the street. People clap for him. We clap too. Then we go to Central Park. It's big and green. We see a lake with ducks. The ducks swim in a line. People jog, walk dogs, and have picnics. We see a man selling ice cream. We buy 2 cones. Mine is chocolate. Anna's is vanilla. We sit on the grass and eat. Anna says, "This is fun." I say, "Yes." We talk about our families. Anna misses her brother. I miss my mom's cooking. It's a good day. On Sunday, I study. I read an English book about a girl and a dog. The girl is kind, and the dog is funny. It's hard, but I use a dictionary. I learn new words like run, bark, and happy. I write in my journal. I write, "New York is big." I have friends. I learn English every day. Anna and I cook tacos in the evening. We chop vegetables and laugh. Anna says, "This is like Brazil food." We eat and plan the week. Anna wants a job. I think it's a good idea. I want a job too. We talk about working in a cafe. Anna says, "We can meet people." I say, "Yes, and practice English." The next day, Miss Parker teaches us verbs. She says, verbs are action words. It's a little hard, but she explains well. We practice sentences like, "I walk to school," and "she talks to friends." I write them down. Miss Parker says, "Good job, everyone." After class, Anna and I go to a job center. We walk there. The job center is in a tall building. We see ads for cafe jobs. A man helps us. He says, "Work in a cafe is good for English." He gives us forms. We fill out the forms. I write my name, address, and phone number. I'm nervous but excited. I want to talk to customers. That night, I call my family in Spain. I say, "New York is amazing. I have friends and a school." My mom says, "We're proud of you." My dad says, "Keep learning." I miss them, but I love my new life. New York is full of chances. I'm ready for more adventures with Anna and my classmates. On Tuesday, Anna and I get a call. It's from a cafe. They say, "Come for an interview tomorrow." We're excited. We practice questions at home. Anna asks me, "Why do you want this job?" I say, "I want to practice English and meet people." Anna says, "Good answer." The next day, we go to the cafe. It's small and smells like coffee. The manager, Lucy, is kind. She says, "Hello, Anna and Maria. Tell me about you." I say, "I'm Maria from Spain. I want to learn English." Anna says, "I'm Anna from Brazil. I want to meet people." Lucy smiles and says, "I like your answers. Let's try a short training." She shows us the coffee machine. We practice making a lot. It's hard, but Lucy helps us. She says, "You're doing well." After the training, Lucy says, "You can start next week." Anna and I are so happy. We hug each other. That evening, we celebrate. We cook a big dinner. We make chicken, rice, and salad. Hiroshi and Sophia come to our apartment. We eat and laugh. Hiroshi says, "I'm happy for you." Sophia says, "Tell us about the cafe." We talk about the coffee machine and Lucy. It's a fun night. I feel lucky to have friends. The next few days at school are busy. Ms. Parker teaches us new words like job, cafe, and customer. We practice talking about work. I say, "I work in a cafe. I make coffee." Ms. Parker says, "Very good, Maria." We also read a story about a boy who gets a job. It's fun to read. After school, Anna and I go to the park again. We sit and talk about our new jobs. Anna says, "I'm nervous." I say, "Me too, but we can do it." We smile and watch the sunset. New York is beautiful. On Monday, we start work at the cafe. The cafe is busy. Many customers come. I take orders. A woman says, "1 coffee, please." I say, "Okay." I make the coffee and give it to her. She says, "Thank you." I feel proud. Anna helps me. We work together. Sometimes I make mistakes, but Lucy says, "It's okay. You're learning." By the end of the day, I'm tired but happy. Anna says, "We did it." I say, "Yes, we did." Working at the cafe is fun. I meet new people and practice English every day. After work, we go home. We cook dinner and talk about our day. Anna says, "I like the cafe." I say, "Me too." I write in my journal. I write, "I have a job now. New York is my new home. I'm happy." I go to bed with a smile. New York is full of adventures, and I'm ready for more.